Welcome to my dorm! Alright, so we are going to do a little dorm tour. I'm kind of quiet because the walls are really thin and I'm a little nervous. But we are going to do a tour of my side of the dorm. I go to Cal State Fullerton, and I know I told you guys I would do a move-in vlog, but yesterday was just really hectic, so I figured a dorm tour was the next best thing. This is our front door, and then the first thing I have is my closet. We bought a shower tension rod from Target to kind of cover it, so we put the tension rod on, and then we bought regular curtains, and then this is what my closet looks like. I have a little hanging organizer from Target, a shoe rack from IKEA, my laundry backpack is from Target, and then just little organizers. And then in the corner I have a bunch of command hooks to hang up my bags on this side, and then my robe on this side, and then a command hook for my umbrella by the door. I have the left side of the room, so you move over and this is a little overview of what my side looks like. We will start with my desk. Right above my desk, I framed my bag from the Eras tour, and the frame is from Target, and then I hung up the hat that I got at the tour, and then everything that's on my wall is on here with command hooks. Moving on to my actual desk, it looks like this, and these three crates are from Temu, and then I just have a bunch of hair care and skincare. This is all hair clips and stuff, and then I brought this little group from home, and my moisturizer is behind it. This envelope has my mail key in it, and then my jewelry organizer is from Amazon. And then onto the second shelf I have Q-tips, and then one of the Temu crates with all of my contacts, sunglasses, and then this is my little makeup station. So this bag and the mirror are both from Marshalls. Going down to my actual desk, I usually have my iPad and my laptop in the drawer or to hide it somewhere, but right now they're just out because I'm using it. I actually don't know where I want to put this calendar yet. I want to get a string so I can tie it and hang it up here, but we'll decide that later. Behind that, this big corkboard is from IKEA, and it has a bunch of pictures of my friends on it, and then I also leave my Brita filter here, and then that's just the coffee cup I'm using right now. Inside of my drawers looks like this, so I keep, this is to do my makeup. I put my beauty blenders on this. I have some journals and just random technology stuff on this side, and then actual school supplies on this side. And then under my desk, if you guys can see it, under my desk on that side I keep my trash can. Over there is my backpack, and then this little corner is where I'm going to hide all of my textbooks. Moving on to my bed area, the vines and the lights are both from Amazon, and I will try and link things in the description, but we all know I say that all the time and then never link anything. And let's move on to my actual bedding. So on this little post, I keep my headphones are always either on this post or that post, just depending on where I'm sitting, and I keep whatever bag I'm using, as well as my lanyard with my campus ID and stuff. And then for the actual bedding, all of it is from Target. So my blankets from Target, the comforter and the sheets behind it are from Target. And then for the stuffed animals, these two are from Disneyland, and then my friends and I all made matching Build-A-Bears before we left, so that's in there. And now we will pan under to these drawers. Starting with the top of the drawers, this is where I keep all of my hot tools and hair care products, and then these are things that go in my shower caddy that I don't need right now, so extra shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And then these two drawers are very random. They're my cleaning drawers / my junk drawers, so I have some utensils and then literally just really random stuff. And then the other drawer is all hygiene and cleaning stuff, so I have extra sheets, medicine, laundry detergent, and extra filter for my Brita. Really random. And these two I keep closed, so the top one has sweaters, and then the bottom one has swimsuits, pajamas, and workout clothes. Alright, and then stuffed in this little corner behind my bed, I have my shower caddy and my shower shoes, and I leave them on a drying rack so my floor doesn't get all gross, and then that little thing behind it just has feminine care in it. Then you pan over here, and the last thing on my side of the room is my little cart, and this is from Target. So the top shelf is my little bedside table, so I keep my phone, my remotes for my fan and stuff, a little trash can, and a super big, this fan starts small and I can lift it super duper big, and it's really cool. And then a little Spider-Man from my cousins. And then this shelf is my bookshelf, so I have all the books I brought from home, and then a little Tuffy the Titan. And then the bottom is my snack shelf. And then I have my little Spider-Man on my half of the microwave side. Alright, and then obviously it is a full like mini fridge and microwave, and my roommate has a side, but that's not my side, so I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm still getting used to kind of vlogging at school, so sorry if I was really quiet in this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I post bookish content and college content, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys!